Oh, idiot. Yes, man.
I kill myself here. I go kill myself. I go kill myself, but I'm not even kill. Alright, here we go. The 3 o'clock bus is soon past. So if you feel like you probably can run go, they go put your head on and one eye wheel them. Some pill in that bathroom where you can go overdose pan. A little grammar zone their own eye storeroom. And if you're brave enough, you know. And joke me that making a dog? I wasn't. Alright, big man thing. I can ask you a question, dog. You just did. What? Whenever you ask a person, can I ask you a question? You don't really give them a choice. Because in asking them, can I ask you a question, that is already a question. So, you know what, never mind. What is your question? Why woman have to stay so? What do you mean? I feel like say glacier cheap on me, dog. Anytime I get a little tingling on my penis tip, I know say glacier cheap on me. Seriously? You're sure about it? I'm not too sure about me. Say a man takes her and asks her like war panty size, you know. She start moving away with the poo-poo, dog. Oh, God. So, where you about for? Yo, calm down and stop going like a one girl in a world. I want to hear my... But dog! Relax now, man. I'll go easy with the Godzilla Uncle Demon balling. Yo, calm down, dog. Calm down. Calm down, dog. Relax, man. Yeah, man. See, I hear that now. Relax, man. Yeah. What you do? You call her? Get the dirty bun, that boy know about her phone here. I call me, I can call him right now. I'll tell him about him. Boom. Thank you guys very much for watching. Remember to hit the like button, hit the share button, and hit the subscribe button. Check out the new video right up there in the top right hand corner of this video, or you can check it out in the description below. This is Kevin Too Crazy. Think it, believe it, and live to achieve.